Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Kokuso Mulberry. It is cold hardy. It's a very pretty mulberry. It ripens a little later in the season, and its taste is good. It doesn't have the same kind of sugar content as some other varieties, but it's a great tasting summer berry. When Kokuso starts to ripen in later in the mulberry fruiting season, it starts off as kind of a lavender, and then it progresses to kind of a deep black color. And if we were to take a look at this, you can see there's still a little bit of purple in there. And if I take a taste, just like Black Prince or Rups Romanian or some other types of mulberries, the interior has a little lighter color to it. Yeah, and the taste is good. It tastes good. Mulberry flavor, not as much sugar content, but with all mulberries, if you run out and taste the first mulberry, it may taste a little grassy or not as sweet, but if you wait and let them hang on the tree for a little bit, a lot of times they'll sweeten up. I mentioned that Kokuso is similar to Black Prince, and you can see it in the leaves are kind of deeply serrated, similar to a Morus nigra, but not. It's not a Morus nigra. It's a Morus alba. And the branches here, it's kind of be hard for me to describe it, but the branches here are a lot more sturdier. They don't get these. They grow a little slower. And this is just this year's growth right here. It's after about 2 months, so it's not as fast a grower. But here, let's go take a look at this. You can see here on this Black Prince, it's kind of a similar leaf, similar shape. So our Kokuso is kind of an ultra, and then Black Prince, it's certainly a different tree. It will come in. It fruits later than Kokuso, but what a couple of great trees. So this is Kokuso Mulberry, very pretty, good tasting mulberry. Comes in a little later in the season for us, and it doesn't grow too quick, so it'll be pretty easy to manage.